Hi, good evening. I'm Glenmark Rancon. I will be discussing the Tidetables publication. So, what is Tidetable publication? A Tidetable publication is a document open in book or online format that provides prediction for the times and heights of high and low tides at specific locations. These tables are crucial for various activities like navigation, fishing, and coastal construction, allowing users to plan activities based on the predicted tidal cycles. So ang timetable publication kuno is ang pag-publish sa timetable sa usa ka dokumento nga naghatag og impormasyon bahin sa mga panahon ug sa mga level sa high tide ug low tide sa usa ka particular nga lokasyon. Kini gamiton aron mahibal-an kung kanus-a ang tubig mosaka or moubos or mutaob or mohunas kuno. Ang timetable naghatag og mga detalye kung unsa ka kadaghan mga high tide ug low tide nga usab makatabang sa mga tawo sa pagplano sa ilang mga activities like fishing or boat trips. The purpose of timetable publication is a timetable publication provides accurate predictions of tide times and heights, enabling mariners and coastal users to plan and navigate safely, ensuring efficient port operations and minimizing risk associated with tidal fluctuations. It serves as a crucial resource for safe and informed marine activities. So, ang purpose kuno sa timetable publication is makapredict sila og kanusa mohunas ang dagat or kanusa moubos ang tubig or mosaka para dali ra sila makakuan sa perto mo nang purpose. The significance of timetable publication lies in its ability to provide critical information on predicted tide times and heights, enabling safe navigation, efficient port operation, informed decision making for coastal activities, risk minimization. It plays a vital role in ensuring maritime safety and efficiency. Understanding timetables is crucial for various coastal activities, including fishing, boating, and even hiking. Knowledge of tide times, especially low tide, is essential for activities like fishing in specific locations where fish congregate during certain tidal conditions, and for planning boat trips where navigation can be significantly affected by high and low tides. So, sa pagsabot daw sa timetable is importante daw sa mga activities sama sa mga fishing or pangisda, kay dapat mahibawan nimo kung kanusa ang high tide o low tide, kay kung kintahay low tide mas daghan kag makuha og mga isda. So mo nang importante nimo mahibawan og ng timetables. So that's all. Thank you.